Hello everyone! Today I will show you how I clean and organize my fridge. I'm doing this on a weekly basis, before our weekly grocery shopping. Today I bought some new plastic containers from Poundland, which will help me to organize my fridge better. So this is the before and let's see the after. To clean the shelves, I use the Dettol antibacterial spray and the microfiber cleaning cloth. Firstly, I am going to take off everything from the fridge and clean up every shelf. Then I'm using my new containers and place the products in, considering that it will be easy to find the products whenever we will need them. He is back again. My next step is to place back the filled containers to the fridge and continue the same process with the remaining shelves. In the fridge, I keep my hydrogel eye patches because they always stay cool and they have amazing feeling when I use them. These patches are great to be used when eyes are puffy and look tired. I use them every morning for 15 to 20 minutes for better results. Going forward with the products in the fridge, keep always carrots, celery, aubergine, courgettes and other vegetables in a foil. They stay fresh longer. This basket is from peelers that I bought from supermarket and I like to use it for my veggies. To keep clean the base of the basket, I put a non-stick paper in bottom and on top the veggies. Now I continue with fruits. I take them off the fridge, throw some which arrived and clean the basket. finally, I am cleaning and disinfect the door shelves. This is the way I clean my fridge. Everything is in place and easy to search when you need it. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!